FCC's Hospitality, Culinary and Tourism Institute, or HCTI, offers associate degree and certificate programs in culinary arts, baking and pastry arts, and hospitality management, and provides students with a strong foundation of technical, business, operations, and human relations skills for entry-level and supervisory employment. Located at the Monroe Center in downtown Frederick, our 6,500 square foot state-of-the-art instructional facility houses a 48-seat restaurant and 2 commercial kitchens, including an open a la carte and instructional kitchen with 16 workstations. HCTI was recently named one of the top 15 culinary schools in the country by cadam.com, using data from the latest college scorecard released by the Department of Education. Institutions were ranked according to their program's flexibility and affordable rates, while still providing a strong education leading to job placement and financial success. Our Culinary Arts and Supervision Associate Degree and Culinary Skills Certificate programs are also accredited by the American Culinary Federation, meeting nationally recognized educational standards of excellence and competencies, and program graduates are automatically eligible to receive professional certification. HCTI delivers an immersive learning experience for students through a combination of classroom, online, applied experiential learning, guest speakers, field trips, and internships. For more information, visit www.frederick.edu/HCTI.